In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Google Chrome. There are many times when you'll find yourself browsing the internet and you'll want to rotate an image for a better view. Whether it's to straighten a picture or to observe a different perspective, being able to do this directly in your browser can save time and effort. We'll guide you through the steps to achieve this using an extension from the Chrome Web Store. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you're there, head over to the Chrome Web Store. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's essentially the place where you can find extensions, which are like little apps that can add extra features to your Chrome browser. These extensions can range from productivity tools to fun customization options, and today, we're interested in one specifically for image rotation. Next, in the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type in Image Rotation Extension. You'll see a few choices pop up, but what we recommend looking for is something like the Image Rotator extension. These tools are designed to easily let you rotate images without any hassle. Make sure to read the reviews and check the ratings, as these can give you some insight into how well the extension works and whether other users recommend it. Once you've found an extension that fits your needs, you'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click this button to install the extension. You might be prompted with a message to confirm. This is a security feature, as Chrome wants to make sure you're aware of the permissions the extension needs to function. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and approve to proceed with the installation. After the extension is added, you'll typically see its icon appear to the right of the address bar. Most extension icons live here, providing you quick access to their features. Now, let's try it out. Navigate to any web page with an image you want to rotate. Choose an image, and through your mouse or trackpad, right-click on the image. You should now see an option to rotate the image thanks to the new extension. Select this, and you'll be able to rotate it to the desired angle, whether that's a simple 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or somewhere in between. And there you go. You can now rotate images directly in Chrome with just a few clicks. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can enhance your browsing experience. If this was helpful, feel free to explore other extensions to add even more capabilities to your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.